Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is D-Wood here, and if you're curious to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Today we're going to be playing in some new complexion products. Clearly I'm here with bright pink ass hair. And I did record how I did this, so be on the lookout for that if you are interested. Before we jump into this makeup video, definitely be sure that you're subscribed. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, okay? If you're not new and you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Thread Beauty actually sent over this huge PR box. Oh my goodness. And of course I opened it already because, come on, I was way too excited. I'm trying to find a way to show y'all this big box. Ooh. Ooh. So I believe they currently have 12 shades in the complexion liquids or fluids, I'm sorry, and 26 shades in the complexion sticks. So I'm gonna find my shade and we're gonna play in this today. Ooh, girl, that's heavy. I'm not sure what shade I am in either product actually, so I'm gonna just try 160. Just off first glance, this is what it looks like my shade would be. So let's swatch this one. I feel like that's a pretty good match, but let me swatch 170 and let's see if that's an even better match. But I feel like this would look good all over. Okay, so this is shade 170 Rich Brown Red. Which one do y'all think? I feel like if I do the red one, it might be a little too red. I think I'm definitely liking 160 better. Okay, let's rock with 160. These are multi-use products. It doesn't just have to be foundation. It can be concealer, contour, bronzer, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna swatch 170 Rich Brown Neutral. Oh wow, I pushed down way too hard on that. That color is really, really nice. I'm gonna definitely use that for my bronze tour situation. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep, I'm about to use all three. So this shade is 160 Rich Brown Warm. This middle shade is 170 Rich Brown Red. And this shade is 190 Rich Brown Neutral. So with this hair, I definitely want to do a bright under eye. I want that to be like a focal point of my look. So I think for concealer, I'm gonna go with 04, which is this one right here, and 09, which is this one right here, because I just think that combo is gonna be nice. All right, so I am super, super excited. The pink hair kind of got me amped. Okay, so to prime the skin, wait, I don't wanna go in with this first. I want to start with the Aloe. This is the Dwoodmua Glow Serum in the shade Juice Boost. This stuff smells like cucumbers. I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right, so let's jump right into this complexion. So what shade did I say I was gonna start with? 160. Okay, so I'm starting off, I'm gonna kind of apply this like on my highlighted areas. You know what this is low-key reminding me of, like already off rip? The Black Opal sticks. Y'all know the Black Opal foundation sticks. And then I'm gonna go in with 170 and I'm gonna use this like on the outskirts of my face. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna go ahead and blend this out and then we'll work on the contour. These sticks are literally blending like a freaking dream. Damn it, that looks good. I like it. I like it because it's not oily. Like some stick and cream foundations can be so emollient, like to the point where they're basically just tinted oil. That looks good. I'm very, very satisfied so far. The finish is like a natural matte. Like it's not excessively matte looking and it doesn't feel dry on the skin either. So for the bronze tour, I'm gonna be using shade 190. I feel like I could go a little deeper. Let's blend it out. I got some new brushes too, so I'm gonna try to use this. This brush is from Moda Brushes. Really cute, right? Look at it, matching my hair. I didn't even realize that. I'm gonna use this for my forehead. Definitely can't get makeup in this pink hair. But so far, these 3 shades, 160, 170, and 190, that's the complexion that we're working with so far. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the complexion liquids. This is 09 Rich Warm Golden. I be tripping up on the names Rich Golden Yellow, Rich da 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 da. That be tripping me up. I'd rather just, if it's not gonna be like brownie or coconut or just a number, like I'ma just call it a number because I be mixing it up, getting real tongue-tied. Oh dang, maybe I should have went a little lighter. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this down first. It's more of a liquidy consistency. It's not like, not liquidy, but the texture is a little loose. That makes the best sense. All right, so I'm just gonna blend this out with my normal concealer brush. Definitely getting some coverage from this concealer. Everything is looking real good so far. Let's go ahead and further highlight this face. This is shade 04 Tan Golden Beige. I'm gonna put a little bit right here and a little bit down the nose. I'm gonna use another one of my new brushes to blend. Okay, let's get to this under eye. I would never really use a brush like this to blend like this step of my makeup, but I really want to use these pink brushes because they match my hair. That freaking blended to perfection. Okay, so let's go ahead and set all of this in place. I'm using the same Juvia's Place powders to set the under eye and set all over as well. Let's go ahead and do some blush, bronzer, and we can move on to the eyes. Now for blush, we're going with the pink vibes. Matching the hair, baby. Oh yes. Yes, ma'am, the face is absolutely sitting. Okay, so I originally had no clue what I wanted to do on my eyes. And I honestly was thinking about just doing a really simple plain brown smoky eye with the bright under eye and a really new lip, but clearly I changed my mind. I decided to do this little neon number which was actually really easy to create, and I've never done anything like this before. All it took was 3 eyeshadows. I used the hot pink eyeshadow from the Bright Mattes palette from Beauty Bay. Then I went in with a mid-tone pink from that same palette. And then to top it all off and really give it that neon effect, I just went in with a bright white. If you're no stranger to my channel, you know I've never done anything like this before. So when I did this, I was feeling myself, like for real. I've never done anything like this before. Obviously, I've popped a little color in my inner corner, but nothing to this magnitude. Like that literally looks freaking neon. I knew that I didn't want anything too strong for my eyeliner, so I did do a wing, but as you can tell, I smoked it out with a little bit of gray. It could have been a little bit more smoky, but I honestly was just kind of ready to like see the final look. The gems, y'all, the gems were so random. I literally just looked inside of my drawer and I was like, what if I throw some gems on that hole? I literally loved it. Like, y'all are witnessing me fall in absolute love. Like, I love this look. I was kind of scared to put like bigger gems or more gems, hence why these are so small and I only did 3. But looking back, I think it looks great. Like, I honestly wouldn't have changed anything. Like, I just love it. For the lashes, I knew that I wanted something to really give my eye that like sexy, angled cat eye appearance. So I stacked 2 lashes, one really natural one, and the other one is a half lash. To be honest, y'all, I don't know where that natural lash is from, but I do know that the half lash is from Temu. So the eyes are done. Remember when I said I was gonna do a brown smoky eye? Yeah, the hair was just way too inspiring and I did not do no damn plain brown smoky eye. So let's finish off the face. I'm just gonna sweep away. I'm going back in with my actual face powder. That is so pretty. Let's do the lip, because I know I need something on the bottom lash line. I just don't know what. This is Dimensional Dark Brown from Makeup Forever. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of Chestnut from MAC just to blend it in. Now I'm gonna do the Give Beauty lip gloss in the shade Dolled Up. I really like this gloss actually because it's really thick, you know, like it's thick and it stays. It's glossy. Can you see how thick that is? I love it. Ooh, I love it. I don't know what I want to do in the bottom. I think I should just do mascara. Okay, y'all. I think this is the look. I look so good right now. Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and wrap the video up because I want to take some pictures, make some little TikToks. Okay. All right, guys. So that is the makeup look with the hair, and I love it. I'm literally obsessed. I think this is like my favorite makeup look that I've done in a very, very long time. And it's so simple. It's just like, you know, the little details make it pop. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for yet another video. And if you're curious on how I got this hair color, I have a video on that. All the Thread Beauty stuff is sitting right. Like, I have no complaints. This is the best my makeup has honestly looked in a long time. I don't know if it's just the combination of everything. I genuinely have no complaints. These are definitely going in my kits. The face just looks so good. Like, I'm just obsessed. If you guys are interested in these Thread Beauty products, definitely check out Target. And you won't break your bank account because they are very, very affordable. Y'all know how I get when I start feeling myself. I be talking, like I just be yapping away. So I'm gonna let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for tuning in once again, and I'll see y'all in the next one.